26 men were singled out. Their religion was asked. Some were asked to recite the first verse from the Quran, and when they couldn't, they were shot dead, point blank. Some were even subjected to physical examination. The purpose behind all of this deliberate, cynical action was only to destroy the social fabric of India. Through this delegation and the remaining delegations that our Prime Minister so thoughtfully has sent all over the world, the message that we are conveying in one voice is, India and India's diversity is our strength. It cannot be. The second point that we have conveyed in the last couple of weeks to all the members of the government that we met, from Guyana to Panama to Colombia to Brazil to today in US, is that India does not seek war. We have never sought war in our civilizational history. Like our leader of delegation kept reminding everybody, we are the land of Buddha and we are the land of Mahatma Gandhi. But that doesn't mean that we will remain passive in the face of Adharma. If there is cessation of aggression, you will have peace. But if you attack us, not once, but we are ready to do 100 operations in those. This is the message.